2-inch ball will work on a 2 5/16 trailer. You just gotta make it happen, you know what I mean? It's 4:20 in the morning and at the base of the mountain. That's a road down there and railroad tracks. Just hit another false summit. There's more to go. It's one of those times when things get really rough and you have to dig down deep and realize you shouldn't have done it in the first place. Okay, I'm tapping out. Third, final attempt. I'm not doing it. It's way too scary. It's above my pay grade. There's not much to go, but I'm not good with heights and I am freaking terrified. Okay. Got the mirror set up. Hopefully where the sun is, it should reflect back to the moon. Be able to see it during the evening and afternoons. I don't know if it's coming through here, but the descent is feels like straight down. Truck's still there. Oh yeah. This will kind of give you a context. This is just a little part. See you way down there.
Where the fuck is all this stuff? We had a COVID test just a week ago, which is reasonable. Oh, Jesus. One problem with opening the eye.
Carnage. These are 2 easy up things. They've seen better days. The couch is fine. That's where I slept last night. The beautiful shower got ripped out of the ground and tossed. My shift pod, snapped poles, punching through the roof. I don't even know where to start. I'm trying to get that fixed and repaired. But yeah, all in all, the couch is good. Success.
Here's my sandal. Thanks, bud.
Jeez. Coming around. Zooming in. Zooming in.